In this video, we are going to discuss about chiral, achiral, how to convert the wedge dash notation into Fisher projection and RS configuration. First, we see what is chiral. When a tetrahedral atom has a 4 different substituents, then it is called as chiral. Here the carbon atom is surrounded by 4 different substituents. So this carbon atom is said to be a chiral carbon atom. Here the solid lines represents bonds in the plane of the paper or screen. Solid wedge represents bond that point out of the plane of the paper or screen, that is towards the observer. Hashed wedge or dashed line represents bond that point into the plane of the paper or screen, that is away from the observer. 1-bromo 1-chloroethane is one of the example for chiral molecule. Here the first carbon atom is surrounded by 4 different substituents. So this carbon atom is said to be a chiral carbon atom. The objects which are non-superimposable on their mirror image are said to be chiral, and this property is known as chirality. Human hands are the best example for chiral molecule. Here the 2 hands are non-superimposable. Next we see achiral. The objects which are superimposable on their mirror images are called achiral. Here the trophy and its mirror image of trophies are superimposable. This type of molecule is known as achiral molecule. Now we see how to convert the wedge dash notation into Fisher projection. The observer is looking at the chiral carbon atom. Chlorine is left side to the observer, hydrogen is right side to the observer, methyl and bromine are backward to the observer. Methyl is at the top and bromine is at the bottom. In Fisher projection, the horizontal line represents towards the observer, so we put chlorine to the left side, hydrogen to the right side. Vertical line represents backward to the observer, so methyl at the top, bromine at the bottom, that is bromo group at the bottom. Now we take the mirror image of this molecule. Here the 2 molecules are non-superimposable, that is mirror images are non-superimposable. This type of molecule is known as chiral molecule. The chiral carbon atom is represented by asterisk. These 2 are said to be enantiomers. Now we assign the RS configuration. Higher atomic number of bromine having higher priority than chlorine, then carbon. The higher priorities rotates in clockwise direction, so it is supposed to be R configuration, but it is not, because of the least priority is towards the observer. Usually least priority supposed to be backward to the observer, or otherwise we have to interchange the position of the least priority by rotating the atom or molecule. Instead of that, I am going to change the configuration, that is interchanging the configuration, we get the S configuration for this molecule. This is one of the simplest way to assign the RS configuration if the least priority of atom or molecule is towards the observer. Next we assign the RS configuration for the mirror image. Here the higher priority rotates in an anti-clockwise direction, so it is S configuration. But it is not, because the least priority of hydrogen is towards observer, so we have to interchange the configuration, that is R configuration. Next we see the example for achiral molecule. Here the wedge dash formula is converted into Fischer projection. Now we take the mirror image of this molecule. Here these mirror images are superimposable. So these molecules are not a chiral molecule. These molecules are said to be a chiral molecule. Thank you.